Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Namaskar. Who all are there? Wait a minute. Let me check. Good afternoon, Beta. Harsh, Soham, Ayan, Nadan, Handani. What is this red ball? Okay, that's Sita, Dev, Nandan.
Ma'am, red
Vishil.
one is the red signal.
Okay, fine. Ravi Patel and Rishi Kokani. Okay, fine. So all of you, let's start the prayer. Okay, let me play. Which prayer you want to do?
चलिए सर में
Shall we do? ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हैं हम. Do you know that?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
No? Okay, I'm going to take out the lyrics first. Okay, I forgot that one. I'll read only one or two lines. Fine? Okay, all of you, join your hands, close your eyes. Have you joined? Okay, let's begin. Fine? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा, हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ ना आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छिपा जा रहा है, तेरी रोशनी में वो दम, तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। है मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। Okay, you learn this song. Okay, next time you have to sing. Okay, so who all are participating in the song competition?
Ma'am, I am participating. Ma'am, I am participating.
You are participating?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's great. Good. Have you recorded your video?
Yes, ma'am, I sent to Devi ma'am also.
Devi ma'am, as Devi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, वो देवी कुमार मैम, देवी कुमार मैम.
Devikar is here in front of you. She is Devi.
Ma'am,
Which
Devi
house?
Kumar.
Ma'am, she is Devi Sandha Kumar, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Understood. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see the
Yes.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Clear.
Okay, good. Fine. Wait a minute. So, how much I have explained this chapter?
We took test, ma'am, in last
In the last class? What have I taught you in the last class?
Ma'am, we are reading test. Ma'am, we are reading test. Ma'am, test reading.
Okay, I have taken reading test. Okay, so today I have to explain the chapter. Okay, so before that, Have we discussed about gorilla?
No, ma'am.
Okay, quickly I am telling you about gorilla. Note it down. After that, we are going to work for the warm up. Okay, page number 41. So, gorillas, okay, they live in South Africa, sorry, African country like Eastern Africa and Western African country. Okay, got it? And their height is 5.5 for male gorillas and 4.5 for female gorillas. Okay, the weight of male gorillas 400 pounds. In kg it is 180 kg. Okay, and female gorillas, they have 200 pounds. In kg it is 90 kg. Okay, got it everyone? They eat grass, leaf, fruits and vegetables. Sometimes they eat ant. Okay, they are omnivorous. Okay, they live in groups like we live in society. They exactly quite similar to human behavior. You can say their hands, their movement, everything just like, or they are related to human. They are creative and shy in nature. Okay, gorillas are creative and shy in nature, and they don't know their hidden strength or power. Right? They don't understand their strength. Got it? Fine. And some gorillas, they stay in mountain, some are in land, okay, and they live in the forest. You got it? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Got
Yes,
it, beta.
ma'am.
So this is okay. This is about gorilla. Now you are going to complete the warm-up page, page number 40. There are 8 questions given, and you have to say whether the statements are true or false. For true, you have to write T, and for not true, you have to write NT in front of that lines. Okay. So first one that is given: gorillas are first hunter and carnivorous. True or false?
Not true. Not true, ma'am.
NT. Okay. Write down not true in front of that line. Now moving to next sentence. Most gorillas are loners who live by themselves. They live lonely. Is it true or wrong?
True.
True.
That is not true. They live in society, you can say. Their own society. Okay? They live in groups. They live with their family. So it is not true. Now next one is gorillas are highly intelligent and intelligent creatures closely related to human.
True. T.
Yes, congratulations, doing nice. Okay, moving to next question number 4. Gorillas are 10 feet tall, roughly the height of an average house.
False.
That is false. That means not true. Fourth
Ma'am, it
number,
is false, ma'am.
not true. False, yes, not true. That means false. Question number 5. Gorillas sleep in nests made of leaves and twigs.
False.
False.
Yes.
Not true.
That is true. That is true.
Ma'am,
Because
but
they live in forest.
But ma'am,
Because
they
they
do
live-
not live in nest.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Nest
but
means bed. Nest means bed, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, here
It's not talking
bed. Nest means bed.
Nest made of leaves and twigs.
Okay, that means you have idea about this. Fine. Moving to next question. Gorillas are a highly endangered species.
True. False.
Yes, true. Gorillas are migratory. They are to attack nearby human settlement. True or not true?
Not true.
Ma'am, true.
That is not true. They
Ma'am,
don't
because
attack.
when
Ma'am, I am
the
saying that it is false, ma'am, because in story, ma'am, it is written that gorilla are shy and but not are dangerous.
yes, ma'am,
Yes,
when
you are
we
right.
attack,
Yes, yes.
they will damage.
Yes, beta. Yes, you are right, beta. Now,
I
last,
thought that
gorillas are shy and gentle creatures with a hidden strength.
Yes.
True. Yes, true.
they are.
Okay.
Gorilla be
Have you
gentle.
ever seen any Yes, they are gentle. They're shy, gentle creature. Okay. Tell me, have you ever seen any gorillas in any zoo or any other place?
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes,
anytime.
where?
No,
Where? Okay, fine. So, are you interested to know about gorilla?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see what happened in this story. Okay, so this story has been narrated by the narrator of the story is Oliver Graham Jones, the writer of the story. Okay, and he is only the narrator. Narrator means who tells story or who narrate something. Okay, they are known as narrator. So the narrator of the story is Oliver Graham Jones, and he was working in London Zoo, okay, as a veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor means animal doctor, okay, and he had been working in that zoo for 15 years, and during that time he had treated 6,000 animals in the zoo, okay, and he had written a book, that book known as Zoo Tales, okay. So whenever he finds something interesting, okay, he start writing about that topic. So collecting all that matters, he has written the book. The book name is Zoo Tales. So it's all about his experience, okay, in London Zoo, and this is one of the story that we are going to read, a funny story. Okay, I hope you all understand funny story.
Yes.
What is a funny story? What is a funny story?
Ma'am, funny story means it is imaginative and the adorable things happen.
Okay, that's great. What is tragedy then? What is the meaning of tragedy?
Ma'am, tragedy means
Ma'am,
something.
adorable.
Yes, great. Thank you so much for your answer. Okay, moving to the chapters. All of you open page number 40. So most of people react to the word gorilla. Okay, so what happens when people hear the word gorilla? They think of a frightening, aggressive beast with huge teeth. So suddenly it comes to their mind that gorillas are frightening. Frightening means fearful. Daravni, that means aggressive. Aggressive means they attack very quickly, like lion and tigers. Okay, and they have long or huge teeth. So they start creating imagination of gorilla, that it is really a dangerous creature in earth. Okay, so many years ago, what happened? There was a film called King Kong. You must have watched that film, King Kong. It's about gorilla. Okay, have you watched that movie King Kong?
Yes, ma'am, I had watched.
And
Yes, ma'am.
there's Godzilla also. It's quite related to this story.
King Kong is Godzilla.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
King Kong.
Godzilla versus
Yeah,
Kong.
got it, beta. Godzilla versus Kong. Okay, fine. So described a huge gorilla running free in New York. Okay, so the movie it described about a huge gorilla, that is big gorilla. Okay, it was running towards or running in the city of New York. Okay. And crossing houses and causes mayhem. So what happened? He was free. He was freely in the city. He destroyed everything. He spoiled the things. Okay, the city. He created the roughness in the city. Okay, fully destruction you can see in the city after him. Fine. So the film finally ends up on the top of a high-storied. High-storied means, what is the meaning of high-storied? High-storied building. Yes.
From which
Hmm.
big building.
Big building.
they are
Yeah,
tall.
very simple. Okay. Tall. Okay, big building. You can see in the picture, the gorilla is standing on a big building. Okay. And it's shot down by an aircraft. And you can see in the picture is described about the last scene of the movie. Okay. An aircraft is shooting to the gorilla. And after that, gorilla would be hurt and killed by them. And the film would be ended in this last scene. Okay. Moving to next paragraph from page number 41. The ridiculous story became famous throughout the world. It was major cause of gorillas getting a bad name, which they really do not deserve. So what happened? What was the ridiculous story that became famous throughout the world? The story about King Kong or gorillas. Okay, it spreaded all over the world. After watching the movie, people started believing that gorillas are more dangerous. Okay, fine. But really, gorillas don't deserve this character or this title. Okay. So in fact, what is the fact? What is the truth about it? Gorillas keep themselves in the wild and very shy, gentle creatures. They live in forests. Okay, they don't come to human settlement, and they are very shy in nature and gentle creature. Okay, they live in their own way. They don't disturb to others. But they normally get roused, R-O-U-S-E-D, roused. Roused means get very angry, extremely angry. Yeah, better tell me. Yeah, excuse. Say.
अगर मैम अगर हम गोरिल्ला को करे तो वो हमें करेगा.
See, if you tease him or if you do something like that, he will attack on you. Yes, because they don't understand this thing, right? If you tease your brother or sister, they will understand, but animal will not. Okay, they won't. So what happens? They normally get angry or extremely angry when somebody hurts their family member. So in sense of protection, they get angry and become against of the person. So this is about gorilla. Okay, what is the fact we have learnt about gorilla? We have learnt that
Gorillas and tigers.
Ma'am, gorillas, ma'am.
They keep themselves wild and they are very shy and gentle creatures.
they are shy in nature, yes, and they get angry when
We disturb
Somebody?
when we tease them. When we tease.
Ma'am, the gorillas became angry when someone hurts them.
Or their family.
Yes, correct. Okay, understood this much, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
A quick recapitulation. Okay, what is the name of the movie? It's about gorilla.
King Kong.
King Kong.
Okay, who is the narrator of this chapter?
Yes.
Oliver.
Graham Jones. Fine. How does the film ended?
When the king
When King Kong died.
Okay, fine. That's great. Simple but right answer. What are the ridiculous story that become famous throughout the world?
that gorillas are getting a bad name.
Okay.
Gorillas getting a bad name, and they do not
Okay,
deserve
fine. Okay, good. So, what is the synonym of the word angry you found in this paragraph? Synonym in similar word, meaning.
Rose, ma'am, rose.
Rose. Okay, fine. What is the meaning of mayhem? What is the meaning of mayhem?
that. Destruction
Confusion, destruction.
Yes. Okay. What is the another word for aggressive?
Ready for attack.
Okay. Do you think King Kong is based on the real story? If yes, then how do you know? If no, then how do you know this? Justify your answer. Do you think King Kong is based on a real story?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
King Kong movie is a fiction. Fiction means
Just for
imaginary story.
story.
Are you getting what I'm saying? King Kong
Yes.
is an imaginary story or also known as a fiction. Fiction means not real. Okay, unreal that means. Moving to next paragraph, all of you see page number 41, paragraph number 3. The first introduction to gorilla was with Guy, a famous gorilla in the London Zoo. So the narrator went to London, okay, to join his duty as he was a veterinary doctor. So first time he introduced himself with a gorilla. And what is the name of the gorilla? Gorilla name is Guy, G-U-Y, Guy, okay. And it was famous in that London Zoo. The head keeper who was taking care of those animals, okay, the head keeper who looked after Guy was a very wise man. Wise means intelligent, buddhiman, that means, with a great deal of knowledge about primates in general and the gorilla in particular. So what happened? The narrator said that he met to head keeper also and Guy in the Zoo of London. Okay, so he came to know that the head keeper had a very good knowledge about, he was a wise man, buddhiman or intelligent man, okay, have very good deal with or knowledge about primates. Primates means like animals like monkey and gorilla, okay, in general, and especially he had very good knowledge about gorilla, okay. For example, you like science subjects and particularly you like about bio part, likewise, okay. So he had a very good friendly relationship with Guy, who had, the head keeper had good relation or friendly relationship with Guy, the gorilla. He used to go into the cave and outdoor then to play with him, which astonished some of us. So what happened? The head keeper used to go inside the cave, okay, and he started playing with gorilla or Guy, okay, and looking at this activity, other member of the zoo, they become astonished, surprised, shocked, okay. When I was fairly new to the zoo, okay, the narrator or the veterinary doctor, he joined in zoo very few days happened, okay. I was taken by the head keeper into the canteen. He was not knowing that where the canteen is, where the things are kept and how big the zoo is, okay. He was not aware about anything, okay. So the head keeper was helping him, so taken him to the canteen to enjoy a cup of tea, okay, which he explained his various skills with the primate. So while having cup of tea, the head keeper explained each and everything about his skills. Skills means ability or say what is the meaning of skills? We take reading skills, writing skills, speaking skills.
Ma'am, can I say Rushil?
Yes, Rushil Desai.
Ma'am, skills are the something like ability of person or animal.
Person or anyone. Okay, fine. So skills can be learned. Okay. So he had various skills. Okay, about Prim, especially about gorilla. So when he told me that when he told to the narrator, okay, Oliver, that he used to play with this enormous. Enormous means so big, huge in size. Okay, enormous animal. I was intrigued. Intrigued means want to know more or excited about something. Okay, so he was intrigued. 1 minute. Okay, fine. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's great. See, I will explain this page only, page number 41. After we will play game. Okay? For that, you have to listen it very carefully. Are you ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So the narrator was excited to know about gorilla, and he asked that, what if the gorilla get angry or out of control? How does he handle that? Okay, that was his question to the head keeper. He said, went to the corner of the mess means that canteen, okay, where you eat food and all, mess area, and produce means search a short length of hose pipe. Okay, what is the meaning of hose pipe? Hose pipe means, I'm going to show you in this. Wait, give me 1 minute. Okay, hose pipe. Can you see the image? This is known as hose pipe. What you use in your garden for watering, right? This is hose pipe. The thin pipe that is known as hose pipe. There are various kinds of pipe, but the smaller one we use for garden. Okay, so he tried to find out a hose pipe and he kept in his pocket, which was fit in it. What's that for? I asked. The narrator asked that why he is keeping a hose pipe in his pocket. He was unaware about that. So you see, he said, gorilla don't like snack. If I want guy to stop playing with me, I simply produce a little this looks of hose pipe, which he believes is a snack. So what happened? He disclosed the fact about gorilla, that gorilla really don't like snacks. Okay, so he had taken the hose pipe so that he will try to produce like a snack. And gorilla, that means guy, believed that it is a real snack, and he stopped playing with him and he goes inside the cage. He backs off immediately and leaves me alone, and I leave the den. Come back after feeding, sir. I will show you exactly what I mean. So the head keeper said that after feeding food, okay, he will show him what exactly he does with Fine. Yes, I'm there. Okay, fine. This is all about my explanation part. Let's play the game. Okay. After 2-3 minutes, I will explain you again. Okay. Now, quickly you frame question. How many question you can frame? Word game or something. Most of the time I just create or frame questions and you just reply. Now you do the same. Yes. I'm going to check you in chat box. Adya, remember today I will send my video of solo singing from Uddev house. But I think 6th, 7th you are sending to Koshika ma'am, right?
But ma'am, I have not number of them.
Oh,
Number of all.
okay, fine. No. Okay, no
So
problem.
I can send you.
Yes, you can send me with them. Okay, I told you to frame question. Yes. Frame question, beta. Okay, is it is used for a man and its name of animal. It's a 3 letters word. Okay, very good question. Okay, that's great. Ayan, congratulations. It's really a wonderful question. Okay, moving to next. There is a word which is related to make something in factory. Okay, which is page number you want? He is asking from 41. Yes. Answer of his question. Unmute also answer. Okay, 41. Next question. What is the next question we're asking? There is a word which related to make something in factory. Okay. What is that word? Okay, produce. Very good. Next question. Okay, I'm going to mute myself for 1 minute, all of you. Okay, I'm back. So it is okay. It is a 8-letter word. Okay. In the word name is yed. Okay. 8-letter word. If we cut first 2 letters and last 2 words, so 2 letters, then we get answer related to see back. Okay. Maybe it is written like this. Page number? Very good. You all are asking nice question. That means you are acquainted of, right? That's great. Okay, what is the... Oh. Yes. Let's see what are the new questions you have asked. Okay. That's much? Okay, no problem. Fine. Now I'm going to explain you.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please you
beta.
ask a question
Okay.
to us.
Yes, yes. I was thinking that only. Okay, fine. Wait, give me 1 minute time. The word is of 8-letter word. Okay, that is 8 letters word. Fine. If you cut the second, third and fourth number and add the beginning letter at the last, it will become a name of an animal. The word is of 8 letters. Okay, if you... Page number 41. The word is of 8 letters. Okay. Along with last 4 letters, if you add the beginning letter, single beginning letter, you will get name of an animal.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. How gorilla? 8 letters word. You can see that animal at your home sometime.
Mouse. Ma'am, cockroach.
That is enormous. Enormous. The word is
Ma'am,
enormous. Mouse. Yes. Okay. Fine. Next question is. The word is of 7 letters. If you cut the beginning 2 letters and ending 2 letters, the remaining letters are the meaning of the thing or the action which actor and actress does.
Act.
Yes. say the word is of 7 letters. Okay. If you cut no, the word is of 7 letters. If you cut the beginning and ending 2 letters, then it will be an action which actor and actress does. 7 letters word. Quickly.
Ma'am, I am here.
No, yes, you can answer of 7 letters word. Cut the beginning and ending 2 letters. That means you have to cut 4 letters exactly. No, the word is EX. Okay, ACTLY. If you cut EX and LY, then it becomes your act that hero and heroine does. Got it? Fine. My next.
मैम तो बोला था.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. You have to say the word, no? That is exactly. Okay, next question is. Give me 1 minute time. Okay, the word is of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. 8 letters word. Okay, the word is 8 letters word. If you cut the beginning 3 letters and ending 2 letters, the remaining 3 letters are the meaning of or the synonym of sick. That is synonym of sick. 8 letters word.
Hide.
No. 8 letters word.
Ma'am, gorilla. Kill.
Gore.
Gorilla.
Okay. Yes. ILAS. Gorilla. If you cut beginning GOR and ending AS, it becomes ill. Ill means sick. Okay, all of you, we will do next time. This much is enough for today. Yeah, this much is enough for today, all of you. Okay, so complete scene passage 1 in your worksheet and complete whatever pending work you have. Okay, because we are going to ask you to submit your F&B or other remaining work, and nothing should be pending. If you complete your work properly, neatly or nicely, I'll send you a chocolate along with your notebook. Okay? Got it? Wow, what are you showing? Beautiful. Yes. Not chocolate packet. I'll give you 1 chocolate only. Wow. Oh my God. You beautiful. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay. So, okay, this is about, okay, you have collected the picture of animals. That's great. Show me. Wow, beautiful. Yes, looking nice, wonderful. I will take picture of your notebook. Okay, very good. Your brother is sitting, okay, wow. That's wonderful, Ishwar. Hello, Ishwar's brother.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Okay. Hello. Okay. Bye all of you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye beta.